Hey guys, this is YouTube using this video due to some not here back to this interview. And of course right now it's the day after the last video that I did, which is the video that I finally, which was my visit to the pyramid up and back. And of course, today's video is it's a recommendation to you guys. Yesterday, it's of course the what is it it's of course the Orange Loop tour. So yep, so it's the pyramids. So I so hope you will enjoy these clips that I filmed earlier. So yeah, and of course. I've seen earlier because this is I'm filming this right as we got back from the yep. Indeed, so of course, with further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, it is Saturday afternoon now. It is probably around 2:45, and I just figured out to show you guys the Orange Loop Resort here in Newfoundland. There's cameras around here, guys. Yep. I just gotta go up here and see what's up here now. So the last time I was up here was, as I did mention to you guys yesterday, was 4 years ago in August of 2015. So yeah, here's the fully area over here. I guess that's what you would call it. This is the whole part of the campus over here. Over here we got the recreation center. Yep. Here we got the mobile home over there. Wait, I think that's the electricity building over there. And over here we got a little deck over here. Featuring a few picnic tables and stuff. Yep. We got some stuff going over here. With it. Yep. And of course I'm gonna see if I'm allowed to film over the recreation center. There used to be a lot of people over here. Guess I'll have to find out. Wait guys, here we got the little can't remember what this is called. I think it's like a cookhouse here in the Orange Loop. Here we got some stuff over here between small records and this little drawing contest. I've got some wallets and memories here. Between some old records. Yep. Korean record here. Cool. He was here did a few months ago. See if I can put you on the sideways to see which record this is. Visit to Newfoundland. If you got some more memories. Green Ocean. Nice. We got some basic rollers here. Nice burgers up here. And we got the little coffee selecting. 1980 to 2005. Nice. You got some more stuff here. to know what the stuff is on the walls though. And of course, you can see we got some picking tables over here. The majority of them are white. Here is the pool area. Little peek of it. Pretty nice pool. Might be a bit cold, but otherwise it is nice. Yep. Nice to have cartoon characters over here too, guys. Check it out. Yep. Here's how to get into the pool. Here's the actual pool. So it is a indoor pool rather than an outdoor pool. We've got some chairs over there, and yep, pretty nice indeed. Right, guys, right now I'm just walking towards where the cabins are over here. I am can't remember where they are, but of course, because the should be summer. But of course, anyhow, the place I was just at in the last clip was the rec hall. I see it on the sign. I was look at this. Talk about this if you look at that. Looks like an old cabin way back in 2012 before it got destroyed. Check it out. It's legal. Nice. Kind of a bit similar though. Yep. We got our camera back in 2004 in the Clanville. Yep. Pretty nice, see? Yep. Just want to show it to you guys. Look at that camera though. Sick. So it is pretty warm afternoon, probably around 19-20 degrees right now. Here at the our stoop. Still some clouds coming in the distance, but otherwise it is nice. Alright guys, over here we got the little cabins here at the resort. They are all one story and they have only one room. So here we got one cabin. So last time I was here, the cabin was actually red, but now the cabin is purple. Yep. Of course, the rooms in the cabins are actually very old. Yep, don't think I'll get a shot for you guys. But of course, yeah. I don't really interested in this cabin though. I just don't know. Let's see now. Here's a little peek in there, guys. Yep, and cheese bit. Yep. And in there, this is one of the bedrooms. Yep. So of course, bringing out the beds in the our stoop are actually very old. Yep. So of course, I think as far as I recall, we were in the middle one, number 3 last time we were over here. Yep. So I get number. Here go number 3. So yeah. Alright, so I'm here at the playground now. Just figured out show you guys this as part of my tour. Here's the pond over here with people swimming here. I just see a quick shot of it. Here's the swimming over there, and a pretty nice playground overall. Yep. I don't know what pond is called here though. Look, we do got a little beach over here though. Just gonna try to give you guys a little view over here. If I can. Yeah, now it's over here though. Yep. I might come over here after too, so I can actually have fun over here. But for now, I figured I'd show you guys this playground. Alright, so just coming into the main entrance part of the our super show. As you can see, we got 2 Newfoundland flags here. It's very nice. Over there, we got basically 2 Newfoundland flags and 1 Canada flag in the center. Yep. I think there's a cabin over there, and I don't know what the other building is. Here's some other fella come there in the camper. Yep. Yeah, this was called the main part of the obviously resort. Look at that beast. Oh, he's got the brakes on the back of it too. No bicycles out there. It's this far. This is the park station office over here, and I think we got some sort of waterfall over there, like where you can throw money in. Okay, this is the park station and store. Yep. Because over there, that's the 79. Go to a Seabreeze Bay over there, and Hollywood right over there. Here we got some more picnic tables over there. Yep. I'm gonna get a close-up shot of the flags. Wow, nice. So we got 4 flags over here, nice. Let's see this now. Yep.
Hey guys, I'm gonna.
Lots of money in this one.
Be careful, okay?
Why?
Yep.
Have a good way.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to check on the store, and I'm gonna buy it. I don't got any money, and I'm gonna have lunch soon. So we'll next clip will be in the camper that I'll do hopefully. So over and out, and before it goes in there, I might show you all the 24 flavors of ice cream they got here. Wow, that's a lot. If I eat all that, I'll throw up. I got puke. Wow. Yep, alright. Got fireworks here also. Got a payphone. Alright, here I am walking back into the part of the campground where the campers are. And as always, really quick look around the store since I never had any money. So yeah. So we're now just walking towards the camper that I'll be staying to. Let's see what we got here first of all. Okay, we got a pond over here with a few decks. See if I can get a shot of this. Kind of. Yep. There you see. Try this, right. Yep. Very nice. Here we got to show you some cameras here on the Sony line. Yep. Indeed. Now we just coming into the entrance now. Visit these two new flame flags which I showed you guys a few minutes ago. We're actually guest only beyond this point. Well, yeah, basically just visiting the extra guests. So of course, I guess that don't even matter. Yep. No open fires. Oh my! I don't even know to have some s'mores. Even though they got s'mores here. Got a little trail over here, at least. We're just going to walk over here. Let's show you guys a better shot of the pond. Alright. Here we go. Alright. You got some cameras over there. Some more over there. There's a car going down the 7 line. Yep, heading towards Seabreeze Bay. There's a pond over there. You got a nice little deck over there, and another one way over there. So yeah. Pretty much. Alright, I'm in here to the camper now, and just to let you know, this is my camper. This is my this is a family camper, like with his girlfriend's sister's camper. And here what I'll show you guys now is the television. And see the camera focuses. Here we go. You can actually it is really nice flash screen. Here's the little videos in here. You can see this is actually a couch and what is it? It is a little fold-out couch. Yep. And let's see. Here we got another one. Here's the kitchen area. Yep. Hi. Here's the washroom here. Here's the bedroom. The last time I was in the camper, believe it or not, they had a TV put. I think it was went over there, but now it's gone. It was a small television out in the living room. Of course, the bed is actually really nice. I never slept in it last time I was in the hill though.
Is it going on YouTube later?
Nope.
What happened to see it then?
It is home video.
For your home video, I had that in the
If you got nature.
I was we had that banding in the
Alright. How's that, guys? I thought it was very awesome. And of course, yep. Of course, I had a really fun time at the our Loop Resort today. Yep. It was actually really nice and sunny, which is still is now. And of course, it was actually really nice and warm there too. Probably around 19-20 degrees or so, which is very nice. So yeah, but of course, I did have a short sun too, but of course now it's all cooled off, for believe it or not, which is very unusual summer weather here on the island of Newfoundland. So yeah, pretty much. Because overall, I had a really fun time there. So of course, like I said yesterday, the last time I was to the resort was 4 years ago in August, and of course one interesting time I had over there. back then. Yep, indeed. So pretty much. So yeah. So cause I'm filming this at home now, as you can see, and of course yep, and of course this movie edited up on iMovie very soon, and it's be uploaded to the next day or so. Yep, and yep, and I'm also hoping to do a lot more videos on my Sony camcorder once I well after today, like fishing some like some more outdoor videos like when I watch my bike, like a perfect example of that is of course a video about topics of love, where I will definitely film a sunset video over there. Yep, of the view on the sun setting, and of course yep, that'll be a really awesome video featuring a really nice kind of consistency shot also, and yep, and and then I'm hoping to record some more videos too, and hopefully I'll upload at least some of them to YouTube. But of course, but of course, I'm planning on going on a motive tour. Of course, however, the motive won't be uploaded to YouTube. It'll just be a basic home video. If I record the motive video, and of course my camcorder is actually in my computer bag right now. So yeah, pretty much. So yeah, pretty much. So I'm talking an awfully long time now. So I've been in the video. So right now, see if you give you guys a shot. But now as you can see, it is really beautiful evening, and out here in paradise. Yep, the sun is shining over the distance. Yep, pretty nice, see? Yep, indeed. The ocean is not too far from here, if you're wondering. So yes, and of course, the ocean recently, I'm wearing jeans since it is really cold out. So yes, so well, not really cold, but it's cold enough. Like it ain't warm at all. So I really hope you guys like the views that I done to yesterday and today, and of course which is funny and sanity, and yep, and of course stay tuned for some more awesome videos coming up very soon. Whenever I film some more videos on my Sony camcorder. So over and out, guys. Peace, bye. See you later.